Welcome to Southern Recipes. Today we are going to make a simple egg masala. Let's get into the recipe. 6 boiled eggs,
Following are the ingredients:
2 onions chopped, 1 tomato chopped, and 1 piece ginger chopped, 3 slit chilies. Now separate the white portion of the egg and cut into pieces. Yolks should remain full. You can cut into small pieces. We missed to show you one ingredient, which is shallots or small onions. You can take 5 to 6 pieces and chop it. Now place a pan on stove, add oil, and once it's hot, add some mustard into it. Once it splutters, add some curry leaves and then add the shallots to it. So now saute everything well and then we can slowly add the ginger. Once everything is sauteed well, add the cut chilies and toss everything again. Now we can add the chopped onions to the pan. So once onions are added, toss everything well and add some salt to it so that the onions get sauteed quickly. So once everything is tossed well and gets sauteed, add some tomatoes to it and add a pinch of turmeric powder and half teaspoon chili powder. You can adjust the chili powder according to your taste. Toss everything well until the raw smell goes off and the tomatoes gets cooked. So this dish is mainly for the people who don't like the white portion of the egg. So I'm one of them. So that's why my mom actually makes it this way, so that I don't get the taste of the white portion of the egg directly, but with some masala into it. So now the masala is ready. So you can add the chopped white portion of it and toss everything well. So now the masala and the white portion of the egg is blended together. And we can leave it for some time like this. And after some time, we can add the yolks to it. After adding the egg yolks, we cannot stir it much. So just give it a quick stir, close it with a lid for a couple of minutes so that the egg yolks absorb some masala. And now the dish is ready. If you wish, you can add some pepper finally before we switch off the stove.
try out the recipe and share your comments. Also, please don't forget to subscribe Southern Recipes channel. Thank you.